Although Michael Jackson-Bolanos was not convicted in the murder of Samantha Woll, he was found guilty of lying to police. He was set to be released on parole back in late July, but he wasn't. Now his lawyers are demanding answers.
At some point, we have to ask, what exactly is keeping Michael Jackson-Bolanos in prison?
Purna Krishnamurthy was Michael Jackson-Bolanos' attorney when he was on trial for the murder of Detroit synagogue leader Samantha Woll. In July of 2024, the jury found him not guilty of premeditated murder, but was deadlocked on felony murder. On Tuesday, Krishnamurthy and Jackson-Bolanos' current attorney, Austin Gregory, spoke out about their client still being in prison despite being granted parole.
He became eligible for parole on the sentence he is actually serving, and the parole board determined he should be released.
Krishnamurthy and Gregory claimed that his release has been delayed multiple times because of the Wayne County Prosecutor's Office. They say the latest delay stems from a warrant recently filed in connection to a 2020 incident involving Jackson and Bolanos, which included allegations of resisting and obstructing a police officer as well as an open container violation.
The timeline for the interest of justice was 5 years and 354 days ago.
The office of Wayne County Prosecutor Kim Worthy sent out this statement regarding the new charges, saying, "These charges were issued without the knowledge or approval of Wayne County Prosecutor Kim Worthy. When she became aware of them yesterday, she immediately ordered that the charges be dismissed." As far as Worthy's thoughts on Jackson-Bolanos' parole, her office said, "The people disagree with the parole board's decision to release Mr. Jackson-Bolanos from prison and have challenged that decision through the appropriate means of seeking leave to appeal from the circuit court and not in the press."
They want to, get the appeal and want the parole denied because they firmly believe that the evidence is strong enough that this man is a murderer.
Attorney Todd Flood was not involved in the Jackson-Bolanos case, but he did offer his perspective on the prosecution's position.
I can see in a case like this where they want to fight parole. They want to fight it because they believe they have a guilty man, but you got to go on what he was found guilty of.
And when it comes to the recently dropped charges, you have to imagine that there will be some sort of review to find out how these charges were issued without the knowledge or approval of Prosecutor Kim Worthy. Tiara Braddock, 7 News, Detroit.